Hi guys, it's Mao here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a vlog, and actually today is Wednesday and it's already 4 p.m. So katatapos ko lang ng work, and also tapos na din akong mag-film ng isang video for you guys. Maybe mauna yun sa vlog na to, pero it's a haul. But anyway, today is Wednesday, and naisipan ko lang na mag-start ng vlog ngayon kasi I'm planning to initiate on how to make my day productive while working from home. Kasi alam nyo guys, past few weeks nung nasa kabilang bahay pa kami, doon sa nire-rent namin na bahay before, I'm super unproductive. Talagang napaka-unproductive ko guys kasi nasa likuran lang ng workstation ko yung bed namin. So after work, parang feeling ko hinihila talaga ako ng bed namin para matulog. So, ayun, tulog, and then wala na akong ibang magawa. Kaya, I'm planning to make a change sa life ko ngayon kasi it's not really healthy na palaging unproductive lang yung day natin, right? Sinong makaka-relate dyan? Itaas ang kamay. So, ayan, it's not too late to make a change sa kung ano yung nakagawian natin every day. Start anew. Today is the day. So yeah, my plan for this afternoon is to cook dinner. So it's already 4 p.m. So ipiprepare ko na lang kasi after cooking, pwede namang lutuin in advance eh. And after cooking, I'm planning to have a 30-minute walk, maybe just around the village. Kasi kailangan ko na yun guys. I really feel like kailangan ko na talaga ng workout kahit kaunti man lang. So hindi ko pa kayang mag-workout ngayon kasi sa napapansin nyo, medyo stuffy pa yung nose ko. And then, ang voice ko parang masamang pakiramdam. Kasi, yes, masama nga talagang pakiramdam ko. It's been almost 3 days na inaatake ako ng hika. But, I'm feeling better right now. Kaya, naisipan ko na, siguro simulan ko na ngayon na mag-allot ako ng time even for a few minutes na walking around para naman makahinga ako ng medyo fresh air. Sana nga may fresh air dito. And then, medyo ma-exercise ng kaunti. So, yeah, that's the plan. So, samahan nyo ako, guys. And by the way, before that, if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please consider subscribing. I really love to have you guys in this community. Sama-sama tayong gawing productive ang buhay natin. Okay guys, so I'll be using this Vega meat-free balls. Nilalagay ko sa aking spaghetti later. So if hindi kayo kumakain ng meat, so this is a very good substitute sa mga meats guys. Try nyo to. Masarap siya, and then parang may meat lang talaga siya. Hindi mo ma-identify na wala siyang meat kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung ginagamit mo as meat sa toppings ng spaghetti mo. So highly recommend. I'm back home and I'm done with my 30-minute walk, pero inabot na more than 30 minutes, which is really good. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so it's the next day and I'm working right now. I'm on my 30-minute break lang in the morning. So I'm working from 6 in the morning up to 3 p.m. So hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog on that hour kasi of course working hours ko. But I'll talk to you later guys after my work. So share ko lang sa inyo yung typical working day ko while working from home. Pero mostly ng mga ginagawa ko siya after work na talaga. So I'll talk to you later after work. See ya! Hey guys, so it's already 12:30 and it's my break time. So iniisip ko kung anong kakainin ko, pero tinatamad ako. I'm so tired. Oh. Sobrang sakit ng ulo guys, and grabe yung ubo ko kanina. Antok na antok ako kasi uminom ako ng anti-allergy. Tapos uminom pa ako ng gamot ng asthma. So, super antok. But, let's get this day going. Alright, so, maybe, not sure. Anong kakainin ko? Okay, so here's my food. Ayan siya guys. Lettuce and may kaunting carrots and then chicken. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng Lady's Choice Caesar dressing. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Salad with chicken. Tapos, kaunting carrots lang. And then, nilagyan ko ng Caesar dressing and then mayonnaise. Kasi kaunti lang yung dressing ko na natira. And then nilagyan ko ng kaunting olive oil. So yeah, that's it for my lunch. guys, so work is done and it's already 3:20 in the afternoon, and right now I'm taking classes lang from Skillshare kasi it's part of our goal for this year. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung tinitake ko ngayon. Okay, so ayan siya guys. Actually Skillshare has a lot of different classes depende sa kung ano yung mga interest nyo, and right now I'm taking powerful social media marketing for beginners, and as you can see, nasa number 19 na lesson na ako ngayon. So, total of 9 hours and 51 minutes yan. This is part of our goal for this year, na magte-take kami ng mga online trainings or classes na makahelp sa amin na mas marami kaming learnings. So, I decided to take this class kasi ako yung nagmamanage ng social media ng church namin. So, feeling ko makaka-help ito sa akin. And sinishare ko lang to sa inyo, pero this is not sponsored guys. So para lang may idea kayo kung ano yung, kung saan ako nagtitake ng mga online trainings and online classes. So this is really helpful. Actually marami akong mga na-take na classes dito. So that's it. Okay, so ayan siya, and tatapusin ko lang tong lesson na to kasi may gagawin pa ako. Unti-unti lang naman tong pagtitake ko ng classes. Hindi siya everyday, pero I make sure na may matitake ako once in a week. So, ito, tinake ko to nung mga last week pa, pero hindi ko siya agad natapos kasi 9 hours and 51 minutes siya. Ang dami niya pang lesson actually guys. So, paunti-unti ko lang natatapusin to, and then marami pa akong nakasave na classes dito. So, that's it. Just sharing kasi baka makakatulong din sa inyo. So, I'm gonna continue my class.
Facebook account link, which will allow me to post in Instagram stories, to also sharing a story to both Instagram and Facebook, and then you choose to go either on Instagram.
Hey guys, so tapos na ako dun sa training ko kanina sa Skillshare, and ngayon ay mag-unboxing tayo kasi may na-receive ako na package dun sa in-order ko from Shopee na gamit ito sa bahay. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung nabili ko. Okay, so ito siya. Yan guys. As you can see, apat na wallpaper na gagamitin ko dun sa, para dun sa kitchen sink namin. Grabe yung pagkakabalot. Grabe yung pagkakabalot guys. Ayan. Ang dami. Okay, so ito siya guys. This is self-adhesive na wallpaper, and gagamitin ko to para ilagay dun sa may temporary na sink na may countertop namin. So, and papakita ko sa inyo kasi ano lang yun. Kahoy lang yung ginamit namin kasi papaayos pa namin yun. Pero hindi pa kasi namin mapapaayos agad. Kaya lalagyan ko na muna siya ng ganito para maging presentable naman siyang tingnan. Try ko yung adhesive niya. Ooh! Okay, so this is it guys, and I bought this for only 199 pesos ang isa nito, and nag-order ako ng 4 kasi baka kukulangin ako, and then gagamitin ko na lang din sa iba, like sa table namin kung may sobra man. Pero ito siya, self-adhesive siya, and as you can see, ayan. So, may isang layer dito, tapos ayan guys, may isang layer, ito yung parang papel, tapos kukunin mo lang to, and then ito, madikit na siya. So, ayan. Pero, hindi ko to malagay ngayon kasi nagawan ko to ng ibang video. So, as I can see, good quality naman siya guys. Ayan. Ewan ko lang kung madikit nga ba siya pagdating na dun sa kahoy kasi nagtanong ako dun sa seller kung pwede siyang dumikit sa kahoy, pero wala akong na-receive na response. So, hindi ko alam kung didikit nga ba to sa wood. Pero titingnan natin. I'm gonna make a separate video sa pag-DIY ko nito. So, that's it. And right now it's already 5:15, so I'll get ready na. Makapag-walking ako ng kahit mga 30 minutes lang kasi later may gagawin pa ako sa work. So that's the plan. Hi guys, so I'm back home and kagagaling ko lang dun sa pag-walking ko. I think it's only 30 minutes. But yeah, that's it guys. That's the typical working day in my life while working from home. And as I've said earlier in this video, I'm trying to make my day productive, na yung pagkatapos ng work ko, hindi tulog lang ang magagawa ko, kundi may mga ibang bagay pa akong magawa, especially initiating na mag-workout or kahit walking or jogging man lang, and kahit ilang araw lang in a week, basta may magagawa lang ako. So I hope na inspire kayo guys, and I hope na enjoy nyo ang video na to, though I'm not sure if ka-enjoy siya. But yeah, this is it guys for today's video. I hope you like it, and kapag hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button below so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye!